Welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. Today we're going to go ahead and take a tour of the animals, so follow along with me. Hey guys, so I was going to take you out to the rabbit pen to show you the rabbits, and on my way out I see that my hen has hatched out some more babies. How many did you have? Oh, you have a lot. Come here, Mama. Let's see if I can count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good job, Mama. Your tail wagging. Good job, Mama. Good job. Alright, so I'm going to try to steady this camera the best I can. Hey, baby. Now, what we do with, I'll get these rabbit pens clean, and what I'll do with their droppings is I will, their droppings are considered cold droppings, so they can go straight into the garden, and I will collect them and put them in the garden this fall and spread that around. This is a female. She's a Californian, and she is a meat rabbit. She's a breeder. Another one, another female, another breeder. And I'm just giving them the ends of my kale, or the kale stems. Here is my buck. Here, buddy. They're all Californians. Here is another one of my females. I only have one buck, and I have 4 females. I clean their pens out once in the spring and once in the fall. Here, hey, I'm trying to talk. Shh. Here is my quail pen, and it is empty right now. My male killed the female, so I am on the look for quails if anybody is local. Here are my turkeys. We've got Jewel. She's the gray and white, or what they call slate turkeys. She is a blue slate. And then her partner there, Thomas. Not sure what kind of turkey he is, but I got him off of a neighbor a few years ago. And he's just massive. They're my breeders. Although, I think they're getting too old. The last 2 batches of the eggs I've tried to incubate have not been good. She hasn't been sitting on them. So, I'm in search of turkeys too. She is a La Mancha goat, and how she got out, I don't know. So, I am going to have to put her back in her pen. Bree! What are you doing out? Come here, baby. Ah, don't you run from me. You like this jungle, don't you? All kinds of nettles and stuff in here. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got Bree back into her pen. She's a pretty good goat, but she doesn't like other goats. Loretta, are you bathing in the mud? Mister, what are you doing, buddy? You want ear scratches? Sorry. guys all been bathing in the mud. Look at you. Hi. Hi, Reba. Hi, baby. Where's the babies at? There they are. Hi, babies. Taking their afternoon nap. What? What? Guys, I went out to the garden and I forgot to turn my phone on, so I will have to do a garden update very soon. But I got some cherry tomatoes. Not too big of a harvest, but it's all right. We can eat on these. I got some blackberries, and my favorite so far this year is the currant tomatoes. These are the currant tomatoes. I've never grown these before. This is my first year. They are so good. They're packed with so much flavor. They're really the only ones that are ripening on the vine right now, so they're just so good. They're so sweet. One of my favorites. If you haven't grown currant tomatoes yet, I highly recommend it. Not only that, if you have young kids, they're really fun to eat and pick. Alright guys, thanks for following along with me as I showed you the farm animals. Stay tuned for more great videos. And as always, I hope to see you soon.